We are here at the nursery looking for a fruit tree. We would like to buy one fruit tree, fruit bearing tree. And these are the fruit bearing trees here, and there are more on the other side. So I'm not even sure. I know this is guava. I think this is guava. We don't have guava yet. This is probably okay. I'll try to call Senior for me. The citrus are here. I have a lot of citrus trees. We like Satsuma mandarin. I don't know if they have Satsuma mandarin. I think that's what we're getting. Oh, Dancy mandarin. Oh, then this one is good too. This one bears a lot of fruits too. Dancy mandarin.
What kind is that?
Dancy mandarin. Where are you, Josh?
We're in the nursery.
What are we buying?
We're buying, what is it called?
Mandarin? Or we don't know yet actually. That's Senior for me.
No, cherimoya.
Yeah.
Hi, how are you?
Hi, Senor for me. Merry Christmas.
Good to see you, my friend. Oh yes, a good one.
These are good, right?
Yeah, and take the fruit. It says.
Oh.
Yeah, please.
But they're not ripe yet, are they?
Is it ready?
Um,
Open one, Mom.
okay.
Vitamin C.
One second. We are getting Satsuma mandarin.
Satsuma. Those right
Oh, yeah, they are small, huh?
there. Yeah, very, very small.
But they have fruits already.
It's incredible, but they produce.
We are getting this blueberry.
You
Yeah. Hi.
like something small because I had like like a small bushes. The same but small, compact. No, not big.
Nice flowers.
Beautiful day at the nursery.
Gumamela.
Yeah, gumamela. I like this one, yeah. And they keep on blooming, right?
So
The algae from Minecraft.
Oh, we have that at home. It's like iceberg roses. So this nursery is like really huge. You need a golf cart or a good place to exercise too.
Nothing seems that large.
We have that one too, right? We got it from
Nothing seems that large.
this which one, the nursery? It goes all the way out there.
We're all the way out there.
Yeah.
Now I'm gonna say it's large.
And there's, I don't know if you remember, but one time there's a coyote here, right? But they like coyotes because they eat the rodents,
Oh yeah, I remember that.
right? We have this one too. So this is the Mexican sage that we have at home. We got them from here too.
Mommy, the Mexican sage looks like the fern in Minecraft.
Oh, yeah. And then we have those two, the yellow one.
Which yellow?
The yellow
Oh,
flowers.
there we go.
I can't remember what they are. And then there are fruit trees on the other side. The peaches, the apricots are over there on that side. After this, like ficus. So we are getting cherimoya, that is cherimoya, and then we are getting blueberry bush, and then a flower.